guys.
Again. So guys.
20 minutes later.
I don't know which one. I don't know if I have the energy to do this anymore. This is what I want to do for the next couple of hours. Today is our, not last day, tomorrow is our last day, but is the last day we could actually explore as much as we can. Because tomorrow we have to leave probably by 7 or maybe 6:30 from here to the airport. We don't have a lot of time. We have like half of the day. But we're planning some things for tomorrow. Today we said let's go take it easy. We're not gonna go to a beach club or anything too extremely. I wanna like explore a little bit more than that. So maybe we're gonna go to see public, like a public beach, and then we're gonna go. I'll show you. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm so tired to speak now. We're starting the day with sangria, of course, because you're still in Spain. Tell me, what did you learn in Macedonian? For who is that? So let me just tell you something. My friends, they don't know anything about trend, right? You realize that because they didn't know why I did this style. But a lot of people noticed that. A lot of people know what I was talking about. So I just wanted to say, I just really didn't. Sorry guys. I just wanted to say that we had the best time today. Today was like an easy day. As you could see in the morning, I was super tired. I couldn't really speak, but it was a beach day. Now we're finished with tanning and a little bit exploring around. Now we're gonna have sangria, of course. You see it everywhere. It's so funny how the person who's filming is so bored of me. She's just holding the phone. She doesn't even listen what I'm saying. So I just wanted to say that, yeah, we're gonna pre-order some food and we're gonna head to the hotel soon, and we're gonna get ready and go out for our last. Oh my goodness! This is what Ibiza does to you.
I can't. It's enough.
It's so funny how everyone thinks I'll go to Ibiza, but no, you can't survive it. Hello everyone. So we are just getting ready. Actually, we got ready. We're just waiting for the taxi. We're going to the old town. We had to get ready pretty much like going out, because after Dalt Vila we're going to the Maine, and after the Maine we're going to Universe Club. So you can't just go back and forth and change your clothes and just do this and do that. No, it's not possible, especially when you live a little bit further than that place. So are you excited?
Super.
Diana?
Yeah.
Diana, this is celebration video.
I'm so excited. Today is last night in Ibiza.
And we don't want to go, but what can we do? There is something that's coming after Ibiza. So we just arrived in the old town and it's so beautiful. It's really pretty. Look at that. This is how it looks, the old town, and I'm just walking in the middle of the street like a crazy girl. That's cute. Should we get some souvenirs here?
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Yeah, let's get it. Look at that. They have like so nice things. Like a lot of different things you can buy for gifts. That's so cute. How beautiful is this? Look at that. That's amazing. I love it. Girls, could I take one picture here? Oh, you look very pretty like that. Okay, maybe time for me for a picture?
Yeah.
What did you say?
I said our outfits are when you need to do a bit of touristing and sightseeing, but you've got partying later on. So comfortable shoes, but the outfit is like...
I'm actually shocked by the way this place looks like. It's just, it's so pretty. By the way, Tiana is waiting for me to take a picture of her. So we found a very pretty place. Actually, Arrange really liked it.
Would you like to show her image?
Hello.
Yes, please. Yes. Lots of images. Thank you so much.
I think I know what I'm gonna have. As always, since I came to Ibiza, I have sangria.
Amazing. This is the place.
Right?
This is the place.
Okay. Tiana, are we gonna have sangria? Look at that. That's so pretty. So I told them that we are gonna have to leave and they cannot order food, and by accident she already said to the waiter that she is hungry, so the waiter just brought her cheese and bread, and both of them are just enjoying their life. And I just told them we're actually going to a different place for dinner. Oh my god. Did you film the side vlog for Ibiza? Yeah?
Kind of. We'll do a little bit more, but we did.
Okay. Remember what you need to say? Perdóname.
La
First-
cuenta, perdóname.
No, first you say perdóname, and then he says yes, and you say la cuenta, por favor.
Perdóname. La cuenta, por favor.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Who is the teacher?
She's teaching me.
You're a teacher.
I know I'm not. I'm her teacher.
Spanish. She's teaching me Macedonian.
Macedonian.
Yes.
Yeah. And I'm also I'm teaching her like Arabic as well.
You're from Arabia.
Yeah.
¿Cómo estás? Estoy María. No. You say soy María. Soy Ali.
Soy Eddie.
Sí. Nosotros
Lost you.
are friends.
So anyways,
Amigas.
in
Yeah.
English,
In English.
we are at the port of Old Town. We
And we're
had
just-
a little drink. We looked at a few historical monuments, castles. And now we are on the search for a
Taxi, because we're going to the Maine, and I have things I have bought, and I just realized I don't have where to put them because I have to go clubbing later, so I'm holding them in my hands. So we need to find a way where to put them. Yeah. Hello everyone.
So guys,
So we are now at the Maine. We're gonna have some drinks and some dinner. It's beautiful. It was a little bit in the middle of nowhere, but it's okay, we found it. So let me just introduce you to who is here. Maya is here.
hi.
Tiana is here. And I reached, there she is again. So we're having some drinks. And what's that? Okay. This is the Maine. It's beautiful. So we're just waiting for Maya's drink, and then we're gonna do cheers.
Yeah. We are at the Maine, best restaurant in the Ibiza. Also in Dubai, that's like my favorite restaurant. Ria's here somewhere. Nizam. Anyways, Nizam.
Okay. Look, guys.
So guys. Choose which pinky is better. Is red your vibe or is it more French?
What is your vibe, guys? Choose. Are you girls ready to eat some food? Oh, too late. She's already eating. Oh, there she is as well. be happy. This is our last day. Yeah, we had a little bit of a small accident in the morning. We overslept. No one heard an alarm. I had like 3 alarms. Yesterday was amazing, and we had a very good time. Even though there was not really our type of music, but it's a good experience to see this kind of places. Check it out at least. Today we're just now we're just having breakfast. You girls want to say hello? Tiana. We're just having American breakfast. Yes, we're all super dead, and we're getting ready to head somewhere maybe nearby. We have like a couple of hours, 3-4 hours to enjoy Ibiza, and then we're heading to Madrid. So yeah, we'll see where we're gonna go now. You know what I realized? People like more when we are like laughing and we're just communicating, and it's like instead of me saying hello guys. Right? Now what? What else do you want to say to Tian? Vámonos.
Yalla.
Yalla. How do you say come on in Macedonian?
I did.
You got it. We're going to Playa Soleil for a second time because our plans changed, as I told you. But we like it. We came at the beach club and we said, what are each? Dobro. Should we sleep? Yeah, we're tired. I'm joking, we went a party.
Last night was a bit heavy. Just a bit of rest, and I think we're good to go again.
So we're gonna order water, right? Thank you.
Inshallah.
I was excited to eat paella.
Oh, yes. Not first time for me.
Paella. Okay. Yeah. Ibiza, we're done. We are done. Oh my god, it's our song. Say Odiava. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
For the first time, I don't have anything to say. I'm so tired.
See you in Madrid.
See you in Madrid.
Adios.
Adios.